5 years for a solar hot water system because it's slightly different technology. Solar power is every 12 months. Because you're generating electricity, plus you have, I'll say, very complicated technology, but there's a lot of technology that goes into the inverters, and you're dealing with electricity and I'll say switches, but also DC electricity. It's really important to have an experienced eye cast over those systems at least once every 12 months to make sure the system's operating at full capacity. They degrade over time as it is, so you really just want to make sure it's doing the best it can all the time. Otherwise, you're really wasting your initial investment, and that calculation on the return on investment drops off very quickly if the system's not operating effectively either.